Shortening the skills gap is always important, even more so right now as the industry is seeing a huge increase. One of the ways that you can shorten that skills gap is by taking part in training. I wanted to share with you today a free training offered by Allied Tool. Let's check it out. All right. I'm at the website. You can check it out right here. Now, they've got a great website, whether you're looking for products, tools, company support, online tools. The one I'm here to talk to you about today, however, is the online certification. Is offered for free to you. Now, this is normally a feature you would have been able to sign up for and travel down to their facility to train in person. However, with COVID, it's necessitated some advancements, and they've taken the opportunity to record all of their training and put it online. Now you're going to check it out with me. Yeah. I am working my way through the TA Pro stuff, which is a brand new update to the TA that came out late last year that has increased coolant flow to the tip. You can learn all about it in the school. They've got a presentation first, and then they've got a bunch of actual real world cutting demos where they are going to run the tool. They're going to give you the speeds and feeds, the type of material they're running at. They're going to give you the load, and then they review the chip formation. So it really sinks in. So you and anyone on the shop floor knows what they're looking at as they're troubleshooting or setting up a drill and dialing in those speeds and feeds. One of the best things that I love about being a machinist is being there and dialing in those speeds and feeds. It's a great way to get a sense of pride and satisfaction from your trade, not to mention increasing your material removal rates, lowering the cost, improving your margins when it comes to being in a competitive industry. These are all fantastic points. It is free to join. Anyone in the shop can sign up. Don't miss your opportunity to register. And until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.